The secret's out. This powerful DVD is designed to give to restaurant owners so they can instantly understand how Kangen Water is being used in the day-to-day operations of some very successful restaurants. You'll discover how Kangen Water has increased their business.
So by them coming because of the water, they realizing, wow, this is a big restaurant. Wow, they have a great food. Wow, they have a great staff. Friendly, everything. We really have increased the business in the restaurant. 2 years ago, it was our worst year for the 23 years I've been here, before I had the Kangen machine. Last year, it was our best year.
You'll discover how Kangen Water is used in food preparation to clean fruits, vegetables, and meats.
In the kitchen, we actually wash the fruits and vegetables with the 11.5 water to take the pesticides off. And we also use it in the liquids like the soup, the alkalimino soup and the lentil soups, and it really makes the flavor much nicer of the soups as well as cooking faster.
Wash my meat in the same Kangen water. It softens the meat. It just makes the meat tender, easier to marinate. Deep down I know my customers what they're eating is clean, and what I'm eating is clean.
You'll discover how Kangen Water enhances their food flavors.
Minestrone is perfect with the Kangen Water because it just like it feels completely, it tastes completely different. It has so much more flavor.
Today we cook in a chicken and dumpling soup. If you cook it with regular water, the dumplings are okay, they're good. We sell a lot of chicken dumpling soup. We cook it with this water, 9.5, world of a difference. They come so much fluffier, so much tastier. And everybody's, what's your secret? What's your recipe? It is a secret, but it's not anymore. It's a Kangen Water.
You'll discover how they use Kangen Water for cleaning.
We like to have them clean the tables with the 2.5, especially the high chairs and the menus. The hostesses do use the 2.5 to sanitize those, and people like that fact too, that they know that when their children get in the high chairs that it's sanitary.
I purchased a machine called Enagic, able me to serve my guests a couple ounces of a special wine. And the machine, of course, needs maintenance. And so it's very important that every month I clean the machine properly. And so I use actually the acid water to flush the lines of my machine. And it works great.
This is the most targeted, powerful marketing tool ever created. Combine this DVD with the new restaurant bottle program and watch what happens to your business.